Hello, we're here at the Atomy World Success Show. Hello everyone, I'm Cristian Burgos, your host of the day. Next up is the Atomy Video Choice. Wow, remember how much passion we saw in the last show, starting with the CEO performance? I wonder what more there is to watch. So let's find out. So the first video is starting with a popular product of Atomy. This video guides with various uses of peel-off mask. I cannot wait to see. The thumbnail looks really interesting. Shall we take a look?
Hello beautiful people, I'm Phoenix, a consumer turned prosumer.
Wow.
And today we're going to talk about Atomy's peel-off mask. The peel-off mask is great for clearing clogged pores, giving skin elasticity and firmness, and purifying the pores as the jade powder in it activates circulation and refines skin surface.
Wow.
And here comes prosumer tip number 1. Make sure that your skin is cleansed thoroughly before you apply the peel-off mask.
Have to clean the
first
skin
version,
first.
peel-off mask for strawberry nose. We can use the peel-off mask to remove sebaceous filaments from areas such as the nose to prevent the formation of blackheads.
Also, you don't
tip
need
number
a nose
2,
mask
apply the peel-off
anymore.
mask directly onto your nose area in circular motion.
Okay.
Yes, don't apply any skincare yet, and yes, in circular motion.
Wow.
And remember, ensure that your peel-off mask is thick enough to cover all the pores.
Oh, wow.
The second version, coffee peel-off mask.
Coffee?
What are the benefits of coffee peel-off mask? Well, for one, it helps reduce inflammation. The chlorogenic acid in coffee calms the redness of skin, and it can be used for acne treatment due to its antibacterial properties. For this, you need 6 to 8 ml of peel-off mask, 1/3 sachet of the black Arabica coffee, 2 to 3 pumps of absolute toner, mix well, and apply
I will
evenly
never
on the
guess
face.
that you have to mix that with coffee to make it better. Wow.
The third version, vitamin C peel-off mask. What are the benefits of the vitamin C peel-off mask? You will get brighter skin, reduce hyperpigmentation such as acne scars, and fading uneven skin tone. It can boost collagen production, which enhances the elasticity of the skin, which reduces fine lines and wrinkles, as well as preventing new ones from forming. For this, you need 6 to 8 ml of peel-off mask, half a sachet of Atomy vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
Mix evenly.
That's probably very
Add 2 to
good
3
for the
pumps
skin.
of absolute or the Fame toner. Mix well. And then apply evenly on the face.
Okay.
The fourth version,
so
Spirulina
many
peel-off
different
mask.
versions.
What are the benefits of Spirulina peel-off mask? It has soothing and calming effects. It brings out radiant skin because it can detoxify our skin by clearing dull and congested skin, bringing out the glow and radiance in our skin.
Oh, wow.
For this, you need 6 to 8 ml of peel-off mask, a quarter capsule of Atomy Spirulina, mix evenly, add 2 to 3 pumps of absolute toner, mix well, and apply evenly onto the face.
The fact that applying it with the brush, I think it makes it more easy to do.
And those are the different versions that I tried. In order to see better results, you have to be very consistent.
Wow. I'm sure many of you have your own do-it-yourself facial mask recipes. And if you haven't tried it yet, I really recommend trying Phoenix Recipe Tool. I'm probably going to try it myself, either coffee or vitamin C. I don't know. I think I need to try all of them. Okay, so let's go to the next video. You will see an adorable Atomian. Her name is Tatiana and has tested out the Atomy toothpaste with her lovely daughter, Mary. Let's go and see them both.
Good morning, guys. So this morning we're gonna brush our teeth. I'm going to be using Crest and Atomy on Marie.
She's so cute, isn't it?
And she's gonna let us know. She's gonna decide which one she prefers. Okay?
Actually, toothbrushing is a really big issue for little kids because they don't want to do it, right?
So
I remember when I was a little kid, I didn't want to do it all the time.
We don't want to put too much, so I'm going to put just a little. You're not supposed to use too much toothpaste anyway. Brush your teeth.
Can you do it, Mary? Oh, oh, she's feeling.
As you
she's
can
feeling.
see, it's kind of like really hot, so
Is she okay?
can barely stand it. Spit.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna use the
Okay, let's check the
toothpaste.
Atomy
It's almost
one.
out because this is the main one. We use this every day.
Yeah, I
just
remember when
wanted
I was a
to
little
jump
kid, I
on
had a
here
lot
and
of
show
trouble
you
with
guys really quick the
toothpaste.
difference.
It will always kind of burn inside my mouth.
Again, you don't want to use too much toothpaste. I don't know if you can see here. That's enough. So.
Oh my God, Mary, will you be okay with this one?
Now you can see how much calmer she looks
She's fine.
because it doesn't have that sting. It's safe for kids,
Oh, wow.
for children.
It's safe for kids.
It
That's
tastes
great.
just like the children toothpaste. You can spit. If you have small children, you can actually save money instead of buying adult toothpaste and children toothpaste. You can, the whole family
you're
can
saving
use
money?
the Atomy toothpaste with no issues.
And you have a safer toothpaste.
I mean, I know sometimes
with your
not
kids and
necessarily
also
about
yourself.
money.
Yeah.
All right, so Marie, can you
Okay,
tell
so
which
what's
one you
Mary's
prefer?
choice?
This
Of
one.
course, of
Which
course.
one? Say the name.
Atomy toothpaste. There you
Yay.
go.
Have a good day, everyone. Bye.
The right choice. Bye bye, Mary,
Turn it
Tatiana. So cute, isn't it? So, Atomy toothpaste is definitely a bestseller for one reason. Toothpaste that sell for all age around. Mary, I hope you keep your teeth clean and these good cleaning habits as well with toothpaste. Okay, so let's go. Next video, now we shoot the toothpaste. We can leave that aside, right? So there is an Atomian who has used a very creative way to test out the Atomy toothbrush. Let's check it out. Okay, putting on corn. Coffee on corn to test it out. That doesn't, I mean, there's so many holes in the corn that's probably never gonna get out of there. No way. I mean, you see this kind of tests on commercials or stuff like that, but you never actually try it at home. Oh, brushing the powder is gonna be so hard. Look at that. Look at that. It's getting everywhere. Oh. Well. Oh. Okay, so this is the Atomy toothbrush now. With the first toothbrush, it kind of took a while to get it all out, but it was not every. Wow! It's just like in a matter of seconds. Look at that. It's like a new brand corn. I can eat that. Wow! Look at the difference is. It's visual. It's clear here. You can see the big difference in the toothbrushes. The holes in the middle, they're clean as well. There's nothing inside. Oh, now it's gonna clean the other one. Wow, look at that. Well, yeah, I definitely know which toothbrush I wanna use now. Wow, there you go. Impressive. My goodness. Wow. I mean, you don't really care sometimes about what kind of toothpaste are you using, but with this, you can say goodbye to the dentist with the Atomy toothpaste and toothbrush. So how did you come up with the corn idea? That's very interesting, very impressive, very original. So shall we move to the next clip? Okay, so what's one of the things that impacts a person's first impression? Is it the clothes? No, it's the hairstyle. But many people miss out on the hair health since they care too much on the styling. But there is a way to care and style at the same time. Let's find out how.
Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm very excited to share with you my most favorite product. That is Atomy Hair Essential Oil that I use to protect my hair from the heat and also give shine to my dull, frizzy hair. Keep watching because I will be sharing with you how I style my hair 2 ways using Atomy Hair Essential Oil. Wait, before I begin my hair tutorial, let's learn what Atomy Hair Essential Oil is. This marvelous Atomy hair oil is a mixture of 6 different miraculous essential oils which help to give your hair moisture, nourishment, and healthy shine and prevent from getting messy and tangled.
So using oils in the hair sometimes make it feel a little heavy, but with this one, it looks like it's super light. Oh, she's just rolling the hair, right? She's not putting anything else? Okay.
It literally took less than 5 minutes to style my hair. I totally love it. It does not make my hair sticky or greasy.
Wow, usually when you use oils, you don't usually put some heat on it because it will damage the hair, but it actually looks better here.
Hair essential oil right after a shower on my very wet hair.
At first the hair is a little messy. She just doesn't even putting too much. She's like maybe 2 squeezes.
So for the heatless curl, I have...
What is that?
This 2 hair bands.
Okay, a hairband.
Just this much. And then twist.
She's curling it?
And then pierce through the headband.
Wow. She's twisting the hair around the hairband.
Using hair essential oil, Atomy hair essential oil, I have twisted my hair to get the heatless curl effect. So let me show you after they dry out at least 2 hours.
With just oil right now?
I'm ready to show you the result of my heatless curl and the shine that I get from Atomy hair essential oil. So let's see.
Show me please.
You just have to pull it on the back. You see?
Oh, no way!
I just love this technique so much.
Wow!
I'm really thankful for the shine that I'm getting using the hair oil that I'm using from Atomy. That really gives me a
like you have to spend like a couple of bucks on the hair salon just to get this kind of result. She did just with oil and waiting?
Used a lot of chemicals dyeing my hair.
That's impressive. Wow, that's impressive. And it's also really shiny. Looks natural.
It's also good for your
impressive.
blow dryer or anything else you're using, a straightening iron or whatever you like to use, but this save your hair and very budget friendly. You don't need too much. I cannot believe this is even possible. A few drops will do wonder. Just like you see that I used the 2 drops right after my shower and then 2 drops before
she was just putting oil and waiting with a hairband.
So this is all you do.
Like most of the girls will probably use, I don't know, like the iron or something else to make this curly hair. I mean, if I had a long hair, I will definitely try this out. You will see me with a hairband all day, all night. Wow, impressive. Well, I think my shopping cart is getting more heavy as more videos I get to see. So I'm sure I'm not the only one stacking them up here. And it's all thanks to the Atomians providing us with these creative and informative reviews. So please keep up the good work. Okay, so how was your Atomy video choice experience today? I think there are so many Atomians with creative ideas, and we will be back next time with more exciting and fun content, so stay tuned. Atomy Video Choice is open to everyone, so if you would like to participate in it or would like to recommend someone, please send us a brief introduction along with the video link in the address below. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Goodbye.